everybody, for today's vlog, we are going to
we're going to
unbox and review
unbox Jenga.
Jenga, yes. So because Ethan, well, let's show Ethan.
Oh.
Okay, so here's Ethan. All right. So
Hi, Ethan.
say hi, Ethan. Say hi. Okay. So Ethan saw this Jenga game to his cousins, and he always loved to play with it. So we decided to get him one and see how it goes.
Because he got all excited when playing with his cousins, and we thought it's really good.
Right.
For
to articulate, how do you say
coordination.
That? Right. So
to build the towers, because you have to pass it over to the next person without it falling.
It's almost like a critical thinking, but for kids.
Because you can't let the tower fall.
Right. Okay, so then we have this. So this is how it comes. Okay. And then we're going to unbox it. Okay, and this is where it goes. Okay, Ethan, do you want to do it? You do it. You do it, Ethan.
Okay.
Okay, so.
I'm getting this.
So that's a tower. So this is. You attach it here.
Right. So you can sit down. And then it comes with some brick.
And you have to hold it like this when you pass it on.
Here. Oops. Okay. Many more bricks. Here.
One more. There's bricks, see?
Here you can. Oops. Okay.
One more. You can also do this as a counting game.
Right.
And many other things.
Okay, so it comes with this much of brick. Okay, so it comes with a base and the tripod or the tower. And I guess, depend on where you gonna play with it. In the surface or something, you don't need to use this one. So yeah, this is the Jenga. It comes with.
Yeah, I remember back in my times they didn't have this tower,
Yeah.
so you can just use a table or something. But
Yes. Okay, so now we're going to show you a challenge with Ethan. Okay.
Oh no!
Let's put them together. Okay. So for now, we're going to.
So Ethan's gonna show us how to do
Jenga
it.
challenge with Ethan.
Yeah.
All right. So okay, wait. Let's show. Okay. So you line them up like that, and then.
You pull the piece out.
Oh, you pull the. So you're the first one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you line them up where? Okay. Now it's Papa's turn.
Okay.
Until what happened, Ethan? When the game is over?
No, where someone takes it and it goes.
And it fall?
Yeah.
That's when the game is over? Okay. So it's Mama's turn. Can I put it on the top of like that, or just like that?
Yeah, I think I'll go in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
So it's
Ethan's
stronger.
turn. Don't. Okay, go. So see, the thing that I like about this game is that it actually helped the kids to think, critical thinking. Which one? Yeah, which one to take. So the whole thing won't fall, kind of thing.
Another way is to hold this up with one hand and try to move the piece out, which is a bit more challenging. So you can choose what.
Sorry, Ethan have cold today.
Yeah.
And the good thing is it's a very good way of, you know, spending time together, because for the whole game usually it takes like 30 minutes if you're really good at it. And
Ethan,
price, how much we bought
your
this?
turn. Like 15 or
Like $9.99, I think.
yeah.
Yeah,
oh,
like
yeah, it was on
9.99
sale,
because we got it
so-
on sale. So yeah, so all in all, I think it's a good game. It's nice for when, you know, like you're going out in a camping or in the car and things like that. And do you like this game, Ethan? Yeah, Ethan likes this game. Okay, so let's.
Your turn.
Okay, your turn. Okay,
You want me to turn it towards you? It's easier.
I think it's supposed to be all is lined up on the same way, no?
Oh, he got one.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Can I get this one? If somebody picked this one, then fun.
It will fall. Okay. Now it's my turn?
Papa.
Oh, it's Papa's? Okay.
oh, I think it's Mama's
I think it's
turn, 'cause
Mama's.
I went already.
Okay. Okay. Now it's Papa's turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Jenga, Mama lose.
There. Okay,
Okay,
so
so-
till next time, everybody.
Alright.
That's how Jenga is. So I guess we can say that our family love Jenga.
Yeah, challenging games,
Yeah,
educational
it's
games.
worth it. It's worth it, the money. And it's very, you know, the base is very sturdy and it's a brick. So really, the only thing you lose it is if you lose it. So that's it. Bye, everybody. Till next
you.
time. Say bye,
Bye.
Ethan.
Bye.